once again. This is the part 2 of set, introduction to sets. In my previous video, I made mention that if you want to know the square root of numbers which are sets, unless you know square numbers. In this video, let's talk about cubic numbers which are also considered as sets. Not only cubic numbers, we have fourth root of numbers also too. We have the quartic numbers too, we have the sextic numbers too. All of them also are considered as what? Sets. So let's start by looking at the cubic numbers which are considered as sets. So first of all, you have to know your cubic numbers. When we say cubic numbers, we are talking about a number which is being multiplied by itself 3 times. So 1 times 1 times 1, you get 1. So 1 is a cubic number. 2 times 2 times 2, you get 8. So 8 is a cubic number. 3 times 3 times 3, the answer will be 9. Sorry, the answer will be 27. So 27 is a cubic number. 4 times 4 times 4, the answer will be 64. So 64 is a cubic number. Let me list it here. So we have 1, 8, 27, 64 in that order. So these numbers are cubic numbers. So the numbers that does not fall within these numbers, you are going to cubic root those numbers, and those numbers are going to give you a set. So which number won't you find here? You won't find 2 here. So you cubic root, this is where the cubic root of 2 is a set. You cannot find 3 here. So you cubic root 3, meaning cubic root of 3 is also what? A set. You cannot find 9 here. So you cubic root 9. This shows that what? Cubic root of 9 is also what? A set. In that order. When we talk of the quartic numbers, that's the one with order 4. After cubic numbers, the next one is what? Quartic numbers. That's the one with order 4. So for that one, let's say you have 1 times 1 times 1 times 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Multiply itself 4 times. So you have 1. So 1 is a quartic number or a number of order 4. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is also what? 60. 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, you get 81 in that order. So when you list those numbers, you have 1, 60, 81, and so on and so forth. So these numbers too, so far as is in order 4, the fourth root of numbers which are not found within these numbers is also a set. So we have 2 which cannot be found here. So the fourth root of this is a set. 3, you cannot find 3 here. So the fourth root of 3 is a set. We cannot find 19 here. So the fourth root of 19 is a set. In that order. So this is a set, this is a set, this is a set, this is a set. In that order. Very, very easy. Very, very easy. Okay. Now, let me tell you this. All prime numbers, when you square root them, or you cubic root them, or you write the fourth root of those prime numbers, it is a set. So all prime numbers within a radical sign is a set. So if you know 11 as a prime number, so square root of 11 is a set. Cubic root of 11 is a set. Fourth root of 11 is a set. So when you have a prime number, and you have the n fruit of that prime number. That's the n fruit of that prime number. Then it is considered as a set. So write it this way. Then it is considered as a set. So this is your index. It can be the square, it can be the cubic, it can be a 4 fruit, and this is what your positive rational number.